Alright, let's make this a sweet Dalgona Pocky. Brown sugar, baking soda, butter, aluminum foil, and cooking pan. You are going to need it, and please watch how this was made. My daughter is making it, so yeah, yes, it is listed. You're going to need all of them, make sure. It's very easy to make. I love the way she did it though. Very simple and quick. And plus, she had that little bonus clip in the end, so do not forget to watch it. Alright, so I had to delete this music and then upload this again because the copyright problem. So I want you to know that why I uploaded this twice. Alright, so this is how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's almost getting there. It's getting there to be Dalgona Bookie. Yeah, it's in the original game. I love it. No, yes, anybody can really enjoy making this little cookie and candy. What you call it? Candy. Well. Yeah, look at that. After you put that baking soda, a little bit of baking soda, it should change the color. I used to love it when I was a child. And certainly my children love that too. And she's the first one who tried to make it for her child. And yeah, she did a little differently, but it's about the same. It's very, very similar. And I love the way she made that suckle. Made a perfect suckle. Thank you for watching. And this is the bonus clip. Please enjoy. Afterward, then that's what her child did it. And then her brother, yeah. They she'll love it. I can't even wait to see them again. But anyway, my daughter sent me this video for me to upload it. And I was glad and happy to do it. Great job, Noah. Great job. Yeah, you made it. You did better than your uncle. Oh my God, that little sucker. Thank you. Bye-bye.